Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset the Whirlpool duet steam. If you have a machine that's completely turning off every time you turn, you need to press these three buttons 3 times. So you would press wash temp, spin, soil, wash temp, spin, soil, wash temp, spin, soil. Then it will show 88 code, and then you press spin again, and then you press the start button, and that will start a temporary cycle where it will try to just finish up some cycle that it was disrupted, and that was the reason it locks up and shuts down. So as you can see, all I did was press these 3 buttons 3 times each. So you would do 9 clicks here. 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, and then it will show 88 code, and then you press spin again, and then you press the start button. That's it. And then you just need to wait it out to finish doing this cycle on its own, and that should really fix the issue. You shouldn't have to do anything anymore. So this might take a while, but at least your machine gets going and you know that you've resolved it. So we have the stacking thing here, the dryer and the washer. Hope this is helpful. Please do like and comment on the video.